Hey everybody, well done, that was an amazing class. Now I'm going to do the dance tutorial for what we've just learned, Footloose. So, we start with the introduction. You reach up as high as you can, and then you hit the floor. And you reach up, and you hit the floor. You do it 4 slow, and then we do 6 quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then you come up and face the side, and it's a bit of a Beyonce move here for the verse. So you go 2 slow, and then 4 quick. Then swap sides, 2 slow, 4 quick. Then you step back, other way, and then push the arms round. And that varies the length of time you do that depending on what verse it is. You do it again. And then you do the arms again. That takes us up to our chorus. So the chorus, you do 4 kicks forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you cross, open, step, step, step. Cross, open, step, step, step. Let's add some arms. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, open, step, 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 cross, open, step, step, step. You just keep repeating that throughout the chorus. Fantastic. So then, there's a little bit of a fill before the verse starts again, and in the fill, we just do step clicks. Okay, high ones. Then you repeat the verses, the chorus, then it gets to the middle section. In the middle section we do a hand jive. So we go slap, clap, over the top, mashed potato it, and twist it. And at the same time as doing that, we're doing baby steps either side with the knees bent in a squat. So you'll weight back in the heels, like this. So you go slap. There we go. So we're working our thighs at the same time. If you don't want to do that, if you've got dodgy knees or it doesn't feel quite right, you can just do it the sides, yeah? However you want, you can add your own flavour there. So, after that, we go back to our beginning bit, and you go up, and you drop down, and you go up, and it's 2 slow, and then it's 4 quick. 3, 2, 1. And then it goes back to the chorus with the kicks. Now, at the end, the chorus is a bit funny in that you start it with only 2 kicks instead of 4, and then you cross it open and cross it open. You can hear it in the music. And then it does the 4 kicks, and then it's the cross, open, and then it goes back to the 2 kicks and a cross, open. Basically, they're all the steps. Then, at the end of the chorus, there's just one last move to learn. And it's like a jumping jack, but with a kick first. So you push your arms and your leg out together. In, out, in. Kick it out, and in, and out, and in. So, to full speed, it looks like this. And you do that until the end. And at the end, you hear music that takes you up and down, and then we end down on the floor. So that's it, you know all the moves for Footloose. Have a go, and I'll see you next week. Bye!